Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to finally have a makeup tutorial for you guys. This is perfect for the holidays, so if you would like to learn how to complete this on yourself, please keep watching. To begin this look, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Original. I've been using this primer for a very long time and I really trust it for going out. Now I'm going to use my Melt Cosmetics Eye Pencil in 1987, which is just a matte black. This is going to help intensify the eyeshadows that I'm going to place on top of this. I'm just blending out the edges to make sure that everything is smooth and ready for the eyeshadows. Once you're done blending, it's time for the eyeshadow, and I'm using my Urban Decay Eyeshadow On The Run palette in G-Train, and I'm going to pick up the first eyeshadow, which is actually called G-Train, on a flat shader brush. I'm just packing on the eyeshadow and then I will blend it afterwards. I wanted to make sure that I got all the intensity that I wanted and the pigmentation and everything was nice and full on my eyes, and then I'm going to blend it out. So the shadow that brings this all together is called Night Trip, and it's the same kind of green, however it has a shimmer to it. Because I used the matte eyeshadow first, it really allows the shimmer to take center stage and really make your eyes shine. I'm just packing that on. The same method I used for the matte, I'm using for the shimmer. Now I'm going to blend my crease out using Subway and Tunnel. These are the perfect eyeshadows to blend out this green because it really complements it. It really helps it to stand out. So I'm using circular motions and windshield wiper motions to go back and forth. This is going to ensure that you get a nice blend. I wanted you guys to see the profile view of it. This is how your eyeshadows should look, nice and blended, not really patchy. So you just want to take your time with this and blend. I'm using the eyeshadow Jolt to really intensify this look by using it as an inner corner highlight. This isn't your traditional highlight color, but I really loved how it looked together. I'm going to make sure that my lower lash line stands out just as much as my eyelids look. And so I'm taking that eyeliner in 1987 and smudging it on my lash line and my waterline, and I'm also going to tight line with this. This just means I'm applying this to the underneath area of my top lash line. And now I'm taking G-Train and smudging it out with a pencil brush to really make sure that my lower lash line is smoky. To blend out the edges, I went in with Tunnel and a smaller blending brush to really ensure that it was super smoky. I love a long dragged out sleepy under eye. Now I'm going to go in with my liquid eyeliner in black from DHC, which is a Japanese beauty line, and I love how strong the tip of this eyeliner is. It helps you to get a nice precise sharp line. For my falsies, I'm going to use Thrill Seeker, which is from Bold Face Lashes. And now I'm going to go in with my Midnight Cowboy Heavy Metals Liquid Glitter Liner. And I use this one a lot because it's my favorite out of all of them. And I'm just applying that to intensify my inner corner highlight because this is a holiday look, so we want to sparkle and shine. Now for my lips, I'm using my NYX Cosmetics Matte Lip Liner in Brooklyn Thorn, which I relate to so much being from Brooklyn myself. I love this color. It's so beautiful and it's neutral. It goes with almost every single one of my lipsticks, so I tend to gravitate towards it a lot. Now this is my Sheer Patina from Stila Cosmetics, and I love their liquid lipsticks. You guys know that I've been using Aria for many years, and this one looks great when you want just a wash of color. Now I'm going to go in with Private Island, and I know I pointed to the other blush, however after I chose to use Private Island, which is an amazing blush for this entire look. So yeah, this is the look. I hope you guys have a great holiday season. May God bless you, and I love you guys so much. Please leave comments below on what your favorite types of videos are. I'm in full filming mode, so I'm ready. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till my next video, stay beautiful.